Today we're gonna be doing one of the most inspiring, fun, and joy-bringing activities that one can do in their garden, which is picking the fruits of their labor. So come join us as we pick our hot fiery peppers from our pepper plants. So there we go. This one's ready. We prefer picking peppers when they're fully ripe, and you can know that by a dark red shed, which just shows you that they are packed in heat. They start from green, move to orange, going to yellow, and finally, when they are red, you know they're ready for picking. These peppers boast of a heat level of about 100,000 to 350,000 Scoville units on the Scoville scale, and they're quite hot. They have a sweet, fruity, earthy taste. But are also packed full of heat. Amongst our last harvests, we've had quite a good pick this season. We thank God for that. We can't wait for the next planting season. Hey. Hey guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. We can see some peppers are ripening from green to red, others have gone orange going to red, and some like this one and this one are a fiery red. I dare you to try this. Anyway, we believe this is one of the last picks of the season. We've had quite a good pick this season. We'll be regrowing again in about a week or two, so you could subscribe and turn on notifications and be part of the next growing journey, where we will show you and teach you how to grow and have such yields. Happy gardening.